Hello moneymakers, take a look at this video.
David's story begins in ancient Israel, where he was the youngest son of Jesse, a humble shepherd. While his older brothers were off to battle,
Jesse, one of your sons is to be the future king of Israel.
I have 7 sons, here are my oldest.
None of these are the chosen one. Is there another?
There is David, the youngest, tending the sheep.
Bring him to me.
You must be wondering it takes a lot of effort and knowledge of complex animation softwares to create such videos, but that's not true. What if I tell you that I can teach you how to create such videos in next 10 minutes? Rest assured, I will teach everything from finding topics to generating animation in this video. Want some motivation? Take a look at this channel named Judah Sketch Animation. They have over 100,000 subscribers and should be pulling in $10,000 a month with this method. Some of their popular videos have got more than 500,000 views, which is insane. Trust me guys, this is the best time to start a YouTube automation channel as the competition is less. After a few years, this could be competitive, so it's better to act now and get into business. By the end of this video, I will share a secret way to make some additional money with this niche which I do on my channels. Take a glass of some soft drinks and watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Step 1. Writing the script. Before that, you need to choose a topic for your video. You can choose any story which you think is interesting. Or you can also take story topics from other channels as well. So today I'm going to create a video on David's journey, as the existing channel on this niche have good views for this topic. Alright, to create a script we will use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask, tell the story of David from the Bible in an engaging and captivating way. Include all the main scene that will keep readers hooked, using simple and clear English. Limit the story up to 2,000 characters. You can write character names and word limits as per your story topic. And as we can see that ChatGPT gives a complete story within a few seconds. Now I want to separate each character dialogue so that we can add lip sync to each character. So, let's ask ChatGPT, can you separate each character dialogue and write who is speaking at the starting of each line? Perfect. ChatGPT has written the story as per the prompts given. This way you can generate a story on any topics. Alright, now let's move to the next step. Step 2. Creating character images. Now we need to generate images as per our story. And for this you can use any image generator such as Midjourney, Leonardo, or Microsoft Image Generator. If you are serious about this niche, I will suggest using a paid version of that tool which generates consistent characters. So it will create a more realistic video, and people will engage too. Or if you have a paid version of ChatGPT, you can also create consistent characters in ChatGPT itself. Click on Explore GPT and search for the plugin Consistent Characters GPT Fast and High Quality. As of now, I will show you free tools in which you can create images for free. You can use Microsoft Image Generator, Playground AI, or Leonardo AI as well. Alright, let's ask ChatGPT. I want to generate images in 3D animation style, so could you please write a prompt for each line of the story? Within a few seconds, ChatGPT gives a prompt for the same. But you cannot use as it is. You need to modify the prompt as per the dialogue. Alright, I will use Microsoft AI to generate the image. Copy the prompt from the ChatGPT and paste it in the description box, choose size, and hit generate. And there it will generate 4 images for us. You can choose the one which is good and matching with our story. This way, generate all the images as per your story. Also generate some images with specific characters so we can add lip sync to it, and it will look cool. Repeat this process until you get all the images. Alright, let's move to the next step. Step 3. Generate videos. Before we continue, I want to tell you something. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just comment down below using the hashtag AIMaskman and write the topic of the video which you want me to create, and I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. Alright, now let's turn the images into animation. For this you can use Pixelverse, Video AI, or Luma Dream Machine. Just upload the image which you generated and write the prompt for better results. There it is, your video will be ready. You can try different tools and stick with one which gives best results. This way, generate videos of all the images. Now let's move to the next step. Step 4. Generating voiceover. Alright, now to add lip sync to the characters, we need to generate a separate voiceover for each character. And for this I will use 11 labs. Open 11 labs, go to the voice library, and search for the voice for all the characters in your story. Choose the voices and add it into the voice lab. Now copy the first dialogue and paste it here. I will choose Simon's voice for the narrator.
David's story begins in ancient Israel.
Now download the voice and give number for our reference, so you can easily find the voiceover of the particular character. Now copy the second character dialogue and select the voice which you choose for that particular character. Generate it and download the audio.
Jesse.
And as I told you before, give a number to each voiceover, so it will be easy for the next step. Do the same for all speakers and download it in your computer. So our voiceover ready, let's move forward to the next step. Step 5. Character lip sync. Now we need to sync our character images and the voice over which we created. We already add movement to our images with Pixelverse, but it doesn't automatically match them with voices, so we need to add a proper lip sync to each character video. And for this I will use a free AI tool which is called Pika Labs. However, you can also use SyncLab if you want to go with a paid version. You can also sync for free in SyncLabs, but it comes with large watermark, and it will not look good if you use this video as it is. So it's better to go with Pika Labs. Open Pika Labs and log in your account, and click on this image or video icon. Now upload the video which you want to sync with the voiceover. Then click on lip sync and upload the voiceover. Hit generate, and here is the result.
Am I a dog that you come at me with sticks?
That is amazing, right? This way you can easily add lip sync with any video. Now one by one, sync all the videos with the voiceover and download it on your computer. Alright, let's move to the last step. Step 6, editing. Now we need to merge all the videos, and for this I'll use CapCut. Before that we also need background music to make our video more engaging. You can take free music from YouTube, Audio Library, or Pixabay. If you take music from the Pixabay, don't forget to give credit to the creator in the description of your video. Choose the music which suits your video and download it. Now upload all the videos into the CapCut. Add all the video into timelines and arrange it as per your script. Also add different transitions to look cool. You can also add sound effects, such as glitch or who's exactra from CapCut Audio Library. Then add background music and set the volume. You can also generate subtitles for your video in CapCut. And that's it, your video is ready. Click on export and download it on your computer. So this is how you create animated videos with AI. As I promised to reveal the secret method in the end, here you go. You can create an ebook on Fiverr to sell these stories to your audience. You can host them on Gumroad and make additional $1,000 to $2,000 per month. If you need a complete tutorial on that, let me know in the comments section. Goodbye.